In the upcoming Lok Sabha election on April 26, 2024, Tumkur constituency in Karnataka is poised for a fierce electoral showdown. BJP's V. Somanna and Congress SP Mudde Hanume Gowda are locking horns for the coveted seat previously held by BJP's GS Basavaraju. Tumkur's political landscape is marked by the dominance of the Vokkaliga and Lingayat communities, shaping the contours of electoral dynamics. In the 2019 election, BJP's GS Basavaraj clinched victory with 5,96,127 votes, narrowly defeating JDS candidate HD Deve Gowda. Rewinding to the 2014 elections, the Congress party tasted success with SP Mudde Hanume Gowda emerging victorious with 4,29,868 votes. Tumkur, situated 70 km northwest of Bengaluru in the southern part of Karnataka, holds significant economic importance for its production of silk, cotton, milk and dairy products. With 8 Vidhan Sabha constituencies under its belt, Tumkur's political influence extends far and wide. Originally part of Mysore state, Tumkur transitioned into Karnataka post-1977, embedding itself firmly within the state's political fabric. Of the 16 Lok Sabha elections held in Tumkur, the Congress party has emerged victorious 10 times, solidifying its stronghold over the constituency. However, the BJP has made significant inroads, capturing the Tumkur seat 4 times in the past 3 decades.